Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Metal Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that today is the deadline when Robinhood is going to sell the rest of its Cardano, Polygon, and Solana. So today on the 27th of June, and what this can cause, and so on and so forth. Let's talk about it. Then we have HSBC rolls out cryptocurrency services in Hong Kong. And the third topic I would like to discuss is the Hodl Model for Bitcoin, which shows the available supply as percentage of total supply. And this shows an interesting new trend. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, every single day I'm making you fresh videos to keep you up to date, short videos, longer videos. So if you like this kind of content, A, hit the like button, B, don't forget to subscribe the button all, and then you will get the notifications as soon as the new video is out. So let's start today's episode. And before we jump into the chart, one announcement. I'm going to make short videos during the rest of the week, but I will be at a conference from tomorrow. So Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, there won't be a long video like this one, but I still keep you up to date. If there are some new things coming up, then I'm going to make a short video. I can do that from the conference, but you know, it's a whole day long thing, so I don't have time for these longer videos. So I will be back in the beginning of next week, on Monday, probably. And then my holiday will start, but then I'm going to update you how I'm going to make these videos and so on and so forth. Right. So now jump onto the market where we can see Bitcoin is up about 1%, while Ethereum is going totally sideways at the moment. Bitcoin is still above 30,000, 30,524 US dollar, Ethereum 1,877 US dollar. When we're looking at the top gainers, Bitcoin Cash is up 12%, the Blur 14%. What's that? Bitcoin Cash 16. What did I say? Anyway, they just be probably changing here. And Pepe is about 6% up. When we're looking at losers, Near Protocol down 6%, 7% because it went up, previously. Stacks down about 6% for the same reason. Algorand, same reason, 5% down right now. And when we're looking at here the candlestick chart, we can see that Bitcoin is actually after 3 days coming a little bit down, tiny little bit down. This level, this end of 29,000, this 30,000-ish level, it was holding perfectly, to be honest with you, because basically since the 23rd of June, we closing above 30,000. Is that was the high? Yeah, exactly. And we're holding ourselves there. So the next, what I'm eyeing, it's 32,000 for Bitcoin. And I also believe it can happen now that the Bitcoin dominance can continue. When we're looking at here Bitcoin dominance, we can see it here that we are right now almost at 52%. And what we do have here, we have here at, here in 57. So 52 is now 57. We have a strong resistance. So it can easily happen that Bitcoin dominance is going to continue, and as it's always, then it's kind of changing, and then some alts can jump in. But we're going to see it how this continues. Okay, now first topic, and this has something to do with alts because Robinhood announced a deadline, announced it back on the 9th of June, if I remember well, one day before this huge altcoin crash recently, that they going to delist Cardano, Polygon, and Solana. And it also means that today is the day when they actually going to sell the rest of it. So, let me share the screen. Yes. So this is Robinhood's website. So you can see it here, and they basically saying that they won't support anymore Cardano, Polygon, and Solana, and this is going to happen here on the 27th, which is today, 27th of June. at almost 7 p.m., 1 minute before Eastern time. And those who had Cardano, Polygon, Solana on Robinhood had the deadline until the 26th of June to actually either transfer it somewhere else, you know, to a hardware wallet, or I don't know, so just take it out, or actually they had to sell it on the price they wanted, because now it's going to be sold on the probably on the market price, which means I really don't know how many ADA, Matic, and Sol is left on Robinhood, but it will be transferred probably to stablecoins, I guess. This actually here, it doesn't show what's going to happen there. Yeah, not sure. So basically your crypto is safe. That's what they're saying. They will just get rid of this coins. And if you haven't done anything with it until today, now they are going to transfer it to something else, another crypto, which can put some selling pressure on these alts, and it can push down the price. Now, really what you don't know is that how many of these tokens are left on Robinhood, because if there is a lot left, then again, it can push down the prices of altcoins right now and increase the Bitcoin one. If it's not that much, because, you know, it's totally priced in, everybody knows about it, everybody has done what they wanted to get rid of it or transferred it and so on and so forth, and nothing big is happening, then we just simply continue. So now question mark, but tomorrow we're going to see latest, because, you know, this is Eastern time, PM, which is around midnight here in Hungary. There's a 6-hour difference where I'm broadcasting from. So that we're going to see it probably just tomorrow. Anyway, keep an eye on it if you are in these coins anyway. Right, okay, and now the next topic is all about that HSBC rolls out cryptocurrency services. Where? In Hong Kong. So we have more and more institutions kind of for crypto. Since BlackRock announced that they applying from the Bitcoin spot ETF, there are other bank and another bank coming out that they want to do something in crypto. And now we have HSBC, which rolls out cryptocurrency service in Hong Kong. So Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation, this is what HSBC stands for, the biggest bank in Hong Kong, has reportedly introduced the first local cryptocurrency services. So HSBC has enabled its customers to buy and sell Bitcoin and ETH-based exchange-traded fund. Very important. This goes for ETF. Right? So it's not like real Bitcoin or real Ethereum, but it's something, you know, many companies or something can jump on who is using HSBC, and they can do it to the Hong Kong exchange, because, you know, these ETFs are listed on the Hong Kong exchange. And they are the very first bank, I think, yeah, they do something like that. But because they're the biggest bank in Hong Kong, guess what? Probably the others are going to follow, and this could be actually massive for crypto. Hong Kong is turning to a crypto hub. You know, China is kind of coming back to the crypto scene. Then, as the biggest asset manager, BlackRock said that, okay, I want the Bitcoin spot ETF now, and they applied for that at the SEC. Now, the biggest bank in Hong Kong starts this, you know, crypto service, at least with ETFs, Bitcoin and Ether-related ETFs. So this is definitely bullish for the market in a way. Actually, more and more bullish things came out in the last 2 weeks. We totally forgot about the SEC and their banning things and security issues and everything, because so many other things happened for the plus side. Okay, and the third topic. And the third topic I would like to discuss with you, the Hodl model for Bitcoin. So let's talk about that. So now when we're looking at this model, and this is the Hodl model, basically available supply as percentage of the total supply. And if you can see it pretty well here, here are the percentages here on the side, and it is increasing since almost the beginning of Bitcoin. It goes back all the way to 2011, so pretty early days. And it has increased, which means whatever, Bitcoin supply is available on the market, the percentage of that supply, what percentage of that supply is available for trade. And this percentage has increased since then, all the way up to 2020, kind of second half of 2020. And since then, we simply, here broke down. And obviously here we had a little coming back, and this was November 2021 when the bear market basically has started. But after this little go up, we continuing this way. So as you can see, basically in the last more than 2 years, is that 2 years? Yeah, definitely more than 2 years. Getting almost 3 years actually. This is changing here, which means if we're looking at here the S model, if it's this nice curve, then when we go all the way to 2000 and what's that? Hang on. Actually, let's zoom in for you guys as well, so you can see it. So 2028, 5 years time, according to that model, it will actually go down here to zero. I do not think this is going to happen, but who knows? Because now we actually under that here. But definitely, people start to realize that if they hold fiat currency, its purchasing power is just losing on daily basis. It's getting less and less. So they have to find something. And in the old days, it was always that, okay, get into crypto, make some quick changes, then boost your portfolio with crypto, and then just get out of it and get back in cash. But now it looks like that this trend is changing. And there are a lot of investors, they believe that I rather stay in Bitcoin. I think that is safer in long term. Obviously, there is volatility. There are some up and down movements, but we can see here that I mean, not majority I'm saying, but like, where are we right now? 22. That's on 22%. 22% available supply for trade. So basically, it's the majority which is holding. Yeah. So this is kind of new term. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section that you think we're going to have less and less Bitcoin available, and then in 10 years time it will not be that easy to get some Bitcoin, even if you have the money for it, because you just want to hold it. And if they hold it, then definitely it increased the price, because there's a demand. They want to buy Bitcoin, but not that many people want to sell. Yeah, okay. Anyway, I just wanted to point this out for you guys. Okay, so that's it for today. So short videos keep coming up even the rest of the week. Another long video probably on Monday. That's what I'm planning for, because I'm making these longer videos from Monday to Friday. And I will be busy at the conference in the next 3 days. But then I will be back. So have a good one. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss any important information, blockchain and crypto. And also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. Okay, see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.